Hey guys, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we are unpacking the soon to be released Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, a mid-range phone with some serious flagship vibes. Let's see. The A57 gets a major leap in performance with the new Exynos 6080 chipset, built on 4nm tech with a smart OnePlus 4 Plus 3 core architecture. Early benchmarks show a 22% boost in multi-core performance compared to the A56. The GPU upgrade is even more impressive. The Eclipse 550 GPU based on AMD's RDNA 3.5 doubles the graphic power of its predecessor. Expect smooth 60 FPS gaming and even ray tracing support. On the front, there is a vibrant 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with LTPO 3.0 tech, letting it adapt refresh rates from 10 to 120Hz. That means smoother visuals and better battery life. Plus, it hits a peak brightness of 1900 nits and making it perfect for outdoor use. The camera setups up to with a rumored 108MP ISO CLL HM6 sensors expect stunning detail and clarity. Battery-wise, it's a 5000 mAh unit with the 65W fast charging, which should you give a full charge in under 45 minutes. It will ship with the Android 16 One UI 8 complete with the power AI features like real-time translation and object removal. And get this, Samsung is promising 7 years of updates, a rare trait in the segment. For a mid-range phone, the Galaxy A57 5G sounds like a beast. Faster performance, elite display, tech, pro-level camera, and top-tier longevity. If Samsung nails the optimization and the price is right, it could be the best bang for buck of 2026. What feature are you most excited about? Comment below. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe and ring that bell. We have got a full hands-on coming your way as soon as it is launches.